There is a quiet tragedy destroying people's lives. Not failure, not heartbreak, not even pain, but something far more invisible: wasting time. Because the terrifying truth is this: most people don't realize they're losing their life while they are still alive. And no one understood this danger better than Marcus Aurelius, a man surrounded by war, death, betrayal, a ruler of the most powerful empire on earth, who still feared one thing more than enemies: a wasted day. Because Marcus believed something most people refuse to face: you are dying in pieces. Not all at once, but slowly. Every morning, you wake up with less time than yesterday. And yet, modern life teaches the opposite. Scroll more, wait longer, postpone your purpose. Convince yourself there is still time. But Marcus Aurelius hated this illusion, not because he was obsessed with productivity, but because he understood something deeply human. Most people waste life without noticing it, not in dramatic ways, in ordinary ways. 1 hour of mindless distraction, 1 week avoiding difficult conversations, 1 year staying in a life that no longer feels alive. And suddenly, a decade disappears. Marcus once warned himself with brutal honesty: you could leave life right now. Not as fear, as awakening. Because when you truly understand time is limited, everything changes. The argument suddenly feels smaller. The excuse sounds weaker. The procrastination becomes harder to justify. You stop asking, "What do I feel like doing today?" and start asking, "What actually matters?" This is why Marcus hated wasting time, because wasted time was wasted life. And he knew something uncomfortable about human nature. We treat time like it renews itself. Money can return, health can sometimes recover, mistakes can be repaired. But time moves in only one direction. Quietly, permanently, and most people only understand its value after they've already lost too much of it. Think about modern life. How many people wake up already mentally exhausted? Scrolling before sunrise, drowning in distractions, living according to notifications instead of purpose, always busy, yet strangely empty. Marcus would probably ask a painful question: are you living your life or merely reacting to it? Because reacting feels like living. But often, it's just drifting through routines, through entertainment, through endless delay, waiting for motivation, waiting for confidence, waiting for the perfect moment. But Marcus knew something brutal. The perfect moment rarely arrives. Life is happening now, in this ordinary morning, this difficult season, this imperfect version of yourself. And maybe the deepest lesson he tried to teach wasn't about discipline, or success, or becoming unstoppable. Maybe it was simpler than that. Protect your time, because your time is your life. Spend it carelessly, and life disappears quietly. Spend it wisely, and even an ordinary existence becomes meaningful. So tonight, before sleep takes another day from you, ask yourself one uncomfortable question: did I truly live today, or did I merely pass through it? And if this question stayed with you for even a moment, perhaps Marcus Aurelius still has something to teach us. For those searching for deeper truths hidden inside philosophy, stay close. There's always another idea waiting to change the way you see yourself.